The Z2 bottom bracket has its left bearing pre-fitted pressed into the frame. In order to remove the bearing, you will need a toolkit and a mallet, and to change the bearing with a new bearing, you'll need the same toolkit and a 19mm flat spanner. To extract the left bearing from the Z2 bottom bracket, we're going to use the bearing extraction kit. Once you've prepared the tool, place it on the right-hand side of the frame to remove the left bearing. With the mallet, tap to remove the left bearing. To press fit the left bearing in the frame's bottom bracket, we're going to use the specific tool. We're going to prepare the bearing on its support. To fit the new bearing in the bottom bracket, we're going to use the bigger ring on which we will place the new bearing. We'll then place the set in the frame and use a 19mm to tighten it. We're not using the mallet in the operation to avoid damaging the bearing. Once this is done, take out the tool. The bearing is press-fitted on the left-hand side of the bottom bracket.